Today, we have some inspiring news for all photography and videography enthusiasts. The highly anticipated Sony A7V is almost here, and trust me, this is not just another incremental update. This next-generation camera is set to redefine what's possible in the world of hybrid photography and filmmaking. If you've been considering an upgrade, you might want to hold off because what Sony is bringing to the table is expected to exceed all expectations. Sony has consistently been at the forefront of camera technology, and the A7V seems poised to continue that trend. This camera is rumored to introduce cutting-edge enhancements in sensor technology, autofocus performance, low-light capabilities, and video features. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, or simply an enthusiast, the Sony A7V could be the game-changing tool you've been waiting for. Revolutionary sensor technology. One of the most significant upgrades in the Sony A7V is its new full-frame sensor. While it is expected to retain the 33-megapixel resolution of its predecessor, the A7 IV, the real improvements lie in the performance enhancements. Enhanced dynamic range. The Sony A7V is rumored to feature an impressive 15 stops of dynamic range, allowing for exceptional detail in both highlights and shadows. This means your images will look more vibrant and natural, whether you're shooting in harsh daylight or low-light environments. Advanced noise reduction. Equipped with a new backside illuminated sensor and Sony's latest image processor, the A7V is expected to offer significantly improved noise reduction, even at high ISO settings. This will be a game-changer for photographers who work in low-light conditions, enabling cleaner, sharper images without excessive grain. Superior low-light performance. The native ISO range is expected to go up to 24,800, with an extended range potentially reaching 204,800. Whether you're shooting astrophotography, nightscapes, or candlelit portraits, this sensor will help you capture stunningly clear results even in near-total darkness. With these enhancements, the A7V is set to be an ideal choice for wedding photographers, landscape shooters, and anyone looking for exceptional image quality without excessive file sizes. Next-generation autofocus with AI-powered tracking. Sony's autofocus system has long been regarded as an industry leader, and the A7V is expected to push the boundaries even further with advanced AI-powered tracking. AI-driven autofocus system. Sony has been incorporating AI into their cameras for a while, but the A7V will take this to another level. The new AI-driven autofocus system will instantly recognize and lock onto subjects, whether they are people, animals, or birds in motion. The system is designed to be faster and more accurate than ever before, ensuring your shots remain razor-sharp even in fast-paced environments. Superior low-light autofocus. Autofocus performance is expected to improve dramatically in dim conditions, making it ideal for indoor events, night photography, and cinematic storytelling. Whether you're shooting a wedding reception or a concert, the A7V will help you maintain focus with unparalleled precision. Enhanced eye tracking for humans and animals. For wildlife photographers, pet lovers, or sports enthusiasts, the A7V will deliver sharp, precise eye tracking that locks onto the subject instantly. Even if your subject moves suddenly, the camera will keep them in focus, ensuring that every moment is captured flawlessly. Unparalleled video capabilities. The Sony A7V isn't just a stills powerhouse, it's designed to be the ultimate hybrid camera for videographers. Here's what you can expect. Full-frame 4K at 120 FPS. Experience ultra-smooth, high-quality footage without any cropping. This allows for stunning slow-motion videos at 4K resolution, making it perfect for cinematic projects and creative storytelling. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. For filmmakers and content creators, this will provide incredible color depth, richer tones, and greater flexibility in post-production. Whether you're color grading for a dramatic look or working with complex lighting conditions, the A7V will offer immense creative control. S-Log4 for greater dynamic range. Sony is rumored to introduce an updated S-Log4 profile, allowing videographers to capture better highlight retention and shadow detail, giving them more room for post-production edits. Unlimited recording with improved heat dissipation. One of mirrorless cameras' biggest challenges is overheating during extended video recording. Sony is reportedly addressing this issue with better heat management, making the A7V an outstanding choice for YouTubers, documentary filmmakers, and indie creators who need reliability in long shoots. Redesigned body and user experience. A camera isn't just about specs, it also needs to feel right in your hands. Sony has made several ergonomic and usability improvements to make the A7V a pleasure to use. More comfortable grip. A newly designed, more ergonomic grip makes it easier to hold the camera for long shooting sessions, especially when using heavier lenses. Enhanced weather sealing. The A7V will feature improved dust and moisture resistance, making it a reliable choice for outdoor photographers who shoot in challenging weather conditions. High-resolution electronic viewfinder. Expect sharper previews with less eye strain, helping you compose better shots with greater accuracy. Fully articulating touchscreen. A must-have for vloggers and self-shooters, this flexible screen will make framing and adjusting settings easier, whether you're shooting at high angles, low angles, or in selfie mode. Advanced connectivity and storage options. In today's fast-paced digital world, seamless connectivity is a must. The Sony A7V is expected to offer next-generation Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, faster file transfers and more stable connections with Sony's Imaging Edge app. Make remote shooting and mobile transfers a breeze. Dual card slots. One slot for CF Express Type A and another for SD cards, giving photographers and videographers more flexibility in storage and workflow. Live streaming support. The A7V will likely feature direct integration with streaming platforms, allowing creators to broadcast high-quality content in real time. These features will make it easier than ever to share your work, whether you're a professional photographer uploading raw files to the cloud or a YouTuber live streaming an event. Should you wait for the Sony A7V? If you're in the market for a hybrid camera that delivers top-tier performance in both photography and videography, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a must-have. However, if you prioritize ultra-high megapixels for detailed landscape shots, you might still consider the Sony A7R series. Similarly, dedicated videographers may find Sony's FX lineup more tailored to their needs. That said, the A7V looks like the ultimate all-rounder for 2025. With major upgrades in sensor technology, autofocus, video quality, ergonomics, and connectivity, it is expected to set a new standard for hybrid cameras. If you can wait a little longer, the A7V might just be the best hybrid camera Sony has ever produced. Stay tuned, because as soon as this camera is officially released, we'll bring you in-depth reviews, comparisons, and real-world tests right here on Techno Trend Zone. Until next time, happy shooting!